Welcome to Inspiring English Academy. Subscribe the channel to get all the videos of this course. And join the membership. And exclusive access to all live courses and videos. Let's practice Advanced English Conversation course. Answer my questions. What's your full name? How do you spell that? Who chose your name? Why? Where were you born? Were you the first child, second, fifth? Do you have any older brothers, sisters, younger siblings? Where did you grow up? Is that a city, village, or suburb? How would you describe yourself as a child? Why? When did you decide to move to Maharashtra? Why? How long have you been in Rajasthan? Did you move here by yourself? How was the trip? What possessions did you bring with you? Why did you choose these objects? Can you share some of your first impressions of India? Do you have a favorite color, number, season? Why? What kind of music do you listen to? Do you have a favorite singer, group? What's your favorite radio station or television channel? Why? Can you recommend any movies to rent or see? Why do you like those films? Subscribe and share this channel. Have a happy learning with us.